Hey everyone! Today we're doing a real vehicle interaction test on this OEM-style Android head unit, perfectly tailored for the Citroen C4 Picasso, years 2006 to 2013. Let's fire it up. As you turn the key, you'll notice the incredibly fast boot time. It's snappy, responsive, and gets you right into the action without the wait. The system fully supports both Android Auto and Apple Carplay, available in both wired and wireless configurations. Instant connection, smooth navigation, and seamless music streaming right at your fingertips. Now let's talk about the steering wheel commands. The best part? No learning or programming needed. It works right out of the box. Volume control, track skipping, and mode switching all integrate perfectly with the factory buttons. Switching over to the factory systems, as you can see, the original vehicle settings, parameters, and even the standard radio features remain completely accessible. The radio commands can be preset by our team, or you can easily customize and learn them at your own will. Bluetooth connectivity is fully supported for hands-free calling and wireless audio. Plus, the system syncs directly with the stock controls on your steering wheel for effortless control while keeping your eyes on the road. We've also preserved the original car computer information. Real-time fuel consumption, driving speed, mileage data, and vehicle diagnostics are all mapped onto the clear dual-screen setup perfectly. When you shift into reverse, the system automatically activates the exclusive HD fisheye backup camera. You get crystal-clear visibility, ultra-wide angles, and dynamic guidelines that turn precisely as you move the steering wheel. And check this out. The original factory parking sensors are fully retained and displayed visually on screen with real-time audio alerts, making tight parking spots a total breeze. Finally, the offline 3D navigation runs flawlessly with accurate GPS tracking, ensuring you never lose your way even without cellular data. An absolute game changer for upgrading your classic C4 Picasso. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.